Now then, we're back again with a quick video to show you how we remove the door cards on our Vauxhall Movano. That's about it really. 3, 2, 1. For this, all we used was a flat-headed screwdriver. Some are covered by little plastic caps, so we'll pop all of those off first. The first one is in the top corner next to the B pillar. The next one is where the door handle is. Next one is on the storage area, and the final one is in the drinks bottle indent right here. Once those are all removed, we should be able to remove all the T20 screws. So that's all of the T20 screws out. That just leaves 4 T30 screws. The first is the one under the door handle, the second is the one in the drinks bottle indent, and the third and fourth are under here. To get to these, we need to remove the top of the handle. For this, you'll need a flat-headed screwdriver or a trim removal tool. You need to start at the bottom and pry it apart. This is quite delicate, so be gentle and continue all the way around until all the clips are unclipped. You can now get to the final boss, the 2 T30 screws, and remove them. The last thing you need to do before removing the door cards is to deal with the switch for the electric windows and the cable that plugs into it. Again, this is very easy, and all you need is a flat-headed screwdriver. It should just pop out. Then undo the cable by pressing the lever and pulling the connectors apart. Once that's done, you're ready to remove the door card, but as you can see, it's still very firmly held in place with clips. For this, we start in the bottom corner and pop that out first. You will need to pull quite hard, so hard that it feels like you're going to break it, to be honest, but that is normal. Once you get the first corner off, it's much easier to pull the rest off, and it should come off quite easily. The next few parts are a bit repetitive as they are exactly the same as the other side of the van. Door card: unclip the clips from the door, undo the screws, pry off the cover on the handle, undo more screws, remove window switch and cable, get a grip and rip. There you go, 2 door cards, done and dusted. We are Van Life UK, a complete survivor's guide. If you liked, please subscribe. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a...